So let's go over how to insert a video testimonial onto your one-sheet. There's a few different ways to do this, but before we start, we want to let you know that when you're printing, if you're deciding to do that, you're going to need the words on a different version. So you'll want to make a duplicate of this template before you start any editing or moving or copying and pasting. So to do the duplicate, just click the duplicate button up in the top right, and then you can go and make your secondary version with the words instead of the video testimonial. So next, we also want to tell you that there's not going to be an autoplay option like there would be on a web page or anything like that. This is a PDF, and that means that anytime you click on any link, it's going to be opening to a new tab or a new window. So just like it would with your sizzle reel up there on the top corner. Okay, now that we got those two out of the way. To actually insert the video testimonial, you're going to want to copy a triangle play button in the picture so that you can paste it in the location you want it to be in. In this case, it's going to go where the little quote marks are. So then you're going to want to delete the text box, whatever else is in the way, and that way you can drag the video where you want it to be. We do suggest you keep the first name, title, and category name though, and we're just going to switch this around so that you can differentiate the video versus the photo, and the key points will stand out. But that's just our personal, design choice. You're welcome to make any of your own design decisions. That kind of looks about good there. Let's go and move that over, and we'll drag the video right into place. So now you're going to want to make the link actually active. So to do that, you're going to go up to the chain link button after you click on the photo, of course, because you've selected the layer, and enter the link that you want. So however you've hosted your video, that's going to be the link that you pop in. Make sure you type in whatever words are relevant here, like testimonial. You're going to want to change the color so that all the headings match, of course. And in this case, we're just going to pick something complimentary. There you go. Once you've made the link, you can tweak it. The photo obviously wouldn't want to be the same. You want to take a screenshot from the video once you watch it, and then make sure that you upload it into Canva by just going into Uploads and making sure that you select the file from your computer, the screenshot that you made, and dragging it right into place so that your new thumbnail will replace the other photo that was there before. So the play button is linked, the photo is linked, and you've made your color changes. You could change the color of the play button, whatever you feel you need to do. That's going to make it stand out. So if you're happy with that, then just go ahead and save and download. You're good to go. Happy creating!